In this video, I will present you the result of gold trading by using a free and best forex trading report available on the MQL5 marketplace. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to the video. Here the story begins. I was searching next year for my live trading account, and here what I found. On the screen you can see I found the EA Stratos Zypher MT5. I don't know how to pronounce its name, but here you can see on the screen a lot of people talking about this EA, and here you can see the reviews, comments and the description of the EA, how it is working. Here everything is mentioned. First I decided to do its backtesting and optimization on the gold, and in the next upcoming videos I will do its backtesting and optimization on all major pairs and publish the video here on this YouTube channel. So just subscribe right now and press the bell icon so you could get a notification whenever I post a new video here on this channel related to this EA and many other EA. Here you can see on the screen, as an initial deposit I use $500 with a leverage of 500, and from a $500 deposit it makes $723 with a drawdown of $116. The profit is 6.23 times higher than its drawdown, and this is the recovery factor. The profit factor is amazing, and this is something like too good to be true, because the gross loss is only $5 while the profit is $727. If we see total number of trades are 154 in the last 6 months, because I do its backtesting and optimization on the last 6 months. Here you can see the graph is going smoothly upward, and I love this kind of graphs. Here below, if you take a look on the profit and losses by months, I start from July, August, September, October, November and December, and in the January till now it make this kind of results. You can see all months are closed in good profit, and below here is the list of all trades. If you want to take a look, you can contact me to get all these reports and the input settings, and stay tuned for the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. For now, goodbye.